Morning. I don't usually record on my phone while I'm at home. Oh, that rhymes. I did record on my phone the whole time I was overseas because I actually did take my vlogging camera, but I didn't use it. I'm in bed. Yeah, I'm in bed. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and I thought I'd quite like to do a quick video because we're still a few days away from starting our renos, and I haven't put up a main video for a week, and I like to hang out with you guys. So there's my messy blanket on my chair. It's quite cold and windy in New Zealand today. It's quite nice though. It's a bit of a change from the heat we've been having. Here's my messy bed. Anyway, I've just come out to my hallway. Things are gonna change. To sort stuff out. It's just a plastic clothes rack thing. So I'm going to be concentrating on this room in the next few days. I've actually done quite a lot in here. I have to take out the rest of the stuff. Can you see the elephant in the room though about what needs to be really done in here? Wonder what that might be. And I'm going to take down that board thing that I made. That used to be a blackboard if you didn't know, a chalkboard. And taking a deep breath, I decided I wanted to make an old looking sign, so that's why I did that. That's just stencils. If I come up close to it, I did like put paint colours laid underneath it to make it look like it was old, chippy. I really still like that. And I haven't put Christmas decorations away yet, but yeah, this is the room, isn't it, boss? Yeah, this is the room we're going to work on. Also, I'm going to take down the chandelier. It's never been white, and it's a long, long story. Yeah, this room's going to look awesome when it's finished. Yeah, I never finished painting up there. It's been like that for like 2 years. I've got a little mirror there. I don't usually show this side of it. I love that mirror. That's another mirror that I distressed from the back. Yeah, I've started taking off the wallpaper. It's all happening, guys. We just have to wait for the builder person to come over and start doing everything. How exciting. So I'm in the little second sunroom, and things to do in here. I was going to take down that sign, but it's really glued on. I'm going to take down these. That all has to be sorted out. Hopefully this door will get painted. Previous owners must have had stickers on it. And here's the spare room, which I haven't made the bed because I had to sleep in here one night. I love this room so much. I'm so happy with it. Anyway, here's my day. Super blustery, pretty cold for January. I think it's going to be like this for a couple of days. The section still needs to getting done. It's all going to happen soon, and I'll be putting up lots of videos. Anyway guys, Happy New Year.